Folks, these chairs are beautiful. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful, beautiful evening tonight. Goodness gracious. And you know what's going to make this even better is getting rid of these chairs and replacing them. I'm going to show you two different options, so definitely stay and watch the whole video through. I'm going to give you two different options for the Purple Leaf outdoor dining chairs. This color is absolutely amazing. We're going to talk about all the features, so stay with me here. These are metal. I have to use a pillow on my back, and I'm looking forward to redecorating not only my front yard, looking at this beautiful view. Actually, we just missed the sunset, but I'm going to give you another option for my Purple Leaf gazebo, which is right around the corner as well. And if you have not watched my videos, I actually have right here a Purple Leaf solar LED light umbrella with stand. And then over here, I have another one, and that is already up on the channel, 360 swivel. This one is 360 swivel with tilting function and LED lights. I literally sit out here pretty late. I was actually out here pretty late. Let's go ahead and get that little jet shot going by from the Air Force. Take a look at that, folks. Look at that. So I literally sat out here, I think almost till maybe 10:30 last night with that umbrella over my table, and I'm looking forward to putting these chairs around, showing you that option, and again, as well as the Purple Leaf gazebo. But before we do open this up and get them out and show you all the features, top link in the description box right below the video are going to be these exact same outdoor dining chairs. They offer many different colors and different styles, so look at that link. Choose the ones you want. Definitely watch the whole video through. We actually just had a storm roll through, but it doesn't matter because these are meant to be outdoor. So let's go ahead and get the box on open. I have one box here. I have another box here. 4 chairs total. So let's see what we have. Beautifully packaged, of course, just like all the Purple Leaf products. And eventually, now they do sell dining room whole sets, chairs, tables, and everything. So again, all this will be linked below, top link in the description box below. But pair this up with a nice outdoor dining table, Purple Leaf pergola. Oh, you're gonna really, really enjoy it. So let's get this out. All right, we're losing a little bit of our light, so I'll resume tomorrow showing you guys this. But first impressions, I haven't even put the cushion on. First impressions, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful teak color right here. And we'll get you a better shot of the color of the top portion in the daylight, but just a beautiful, beautiful chair. So I'll be back with you with better light. I wanted to get a little bit morning light on the chairs and the colors, and we're going to, of course, show you in the sunset in the evening time, but we'll get a closer look at them in just a little bit here. But I'm going to tuck into some nice devotion time, put the umbrella up. But I was looking at them in the sunlight for the first time because, again, last night it was kind of that more of a evening twilight, but it is so beautiful. Goodness gracious. We got a little Purple Leaf logo on the back, that teak color, and then it's more of a little bit different from maybe the pictures. It depends on what pictures you were looking at, but it's more of a brown color, and I'll take a look and see if that's going to change in different lighting, but it definitely is a beautiful brown color, woven and absolutely gorgeous on the teak bottom here with the white cushion covers. Now, last night we had some crazy wind, and these cushions have straps underneath the bottom. We'll take a look at a little closer in just a second, and these cushions held on beautifully. Not one cushion is over in the corner of my yard, which typically happens with other chairs. And I sat right here last night plugging away underneath the LED purple light umbrella as well earlier, and I sat right here and it was beautiful. I had a fantastic time. Laptop right here. The chair is a little bit higher than my older one, which I do like. That is what I'm talking about right there. Oh, look at that. Purple Leaf umbrella shading me while I'm sitting down in my beautiful new chairs. Alrighty, so first and foremost, let's take a look at the straps here. So underneath, you have your straps, and they're Velcro right there as well as right there. And those are definitely not coming off. Like I said, we probably had gusts 30, at least 25 mile an hour last night. Now, again, you do have to, once you sit down, that's gonna wear in. This is a brand new one. Mine over here has pushed down. That's my lumbar support pillow right there. But again, if you look like it kind of curves up a little bit, that's because, once your tush gets in there, it's gonna flatten that down. So again, you have 2 Velcro straps underneath. Let's go ahead and just pull them off off real quick because I do want to show you the underneath side of it here. So again, beautiful construction here. The teak, they do make a little bit darker of a teak one. And then again, the beautiful woven. So it's like woven rope like right through here, but it's not rope. Well, I mean, it looks rope. It might be rope, but has the texture of it. And then kind of like your wound band right here on the armrests. And then there's just 3 bolts, 1, 2 in the middle, and then 1 right here. Super easy to put together and beautiful. Let's go ahead and get you that close-up shot there of that grain, that teak grain. And then black here down at the bottom for your foot as it just curves around and then coming down. So I rest my arms right here. Absolutely stunning. Again, as we come down here, just a beautiful pattern to it. Let's come around the back here with that Purple Leaf logo right there. Sharp, beautiful looking chairs. All right, once again, coming down below, looking at the construction here. And if you are wondering, the construction, this is aluminum, so it's super lightweight. I mean, it has weight to it, but it's light, if that makes sense. So it's not a light chair that's just gonna get knocked over by the wind, like I said, with about 30-mile-an-hour gusts last night. Lightweight, but stable, if that makes any sense, where it's not like an inconvenience to back up your chair or lift up your chair or move your chairs around, if that does make sense. But very, very nice for outdoor use. Again, indoor if you want to, etc. And that storm is coming soon, so we'll be putting that to the test. Once again, there is your Sunbrella fabric right there. And what makes these even better, dun dun dun, if you need to wash them, you can zipper them off, remove the inner portion of it, and wash the outer portion of it. And to be honest with you, I need to restrap those straps there. I'll probably have to do that because we do get birds out here and just weather, snow. But if it is gonna snow, you could always just put these in the house. Super easy to unstrap the Velcro, 1 and 2 on each side. And sorry, I had that backwards. So you want the kind of the curved portion to go back there as your Velcro straps are in front right here. And then put that back on. Oh, it's a good looking chair. All right, ladies and gentlemen, storm has passed and the chairs did absolutely fantastic. So I actually sat down pretty quickly after the storm. We got some rain right there, some water drops, but water resistant, definitely did nice. Now this one is a little damp, so I actually sat down, had a little early supper. I did put a towel down, but again, it's just damp. But that is going to dry very, very quickly, especially again in the climate where I am. Praise the Lord, it was not hail, which is absolutely fantastic because you definitely don't want your nice trees and flowers affected by that. And so you thought it was overkill, but I got the Purple Leaf LED 10x10 umbrella blocking the afternoon sun while I sat underneath here again at early supper. It's about 6:15 right now, and it is really, really bright. So I'm going to go ahead and do some yard work, come back here. I'm going to go ahead and plug away a little bit more, enjoying this space. When it looks good, it feels good. Ladies and gentlemen, really been enjoying sitting right here, especially with the evening sun coming over. Absolutely stunning. And these chairs make my area look pristine and fresh. And it makes me want to sit out here because of the beauty of the chairs and not to mention the beauty of the sunset. So again, spaces that look good, feel good, inviting. You'll want to spend more time outside if you develop a beautiful space that makes it warm and inviting and just frankly beautiful. Yes, I will eventually be replacing that table, but for right now it does work. It's a good height for these chairs. Okay, after spending last night and today for hours now editing videos, just hanging out here in the morning time, devotions, coffee, my breakfast. It's literally where I live in Colorado. It's summertime right now. First impressions, I love the chairs. They're very, very nice. The cushions, you're not going to sink too deep. I would say more of a far end medium to a light firm. The cushion, I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. My tush doesn't hurt at all. And I've been sitting here for hours. I like how the back is up and then it curves down. So I do have arm rests. Even though they are curved, I've been putting my arms like this, working with my mouse and especially actually, just like I just mentioned, I am outside literally pretty much all day underneath the Purple Leaf umbrella over here, and then I have another one over here for afternoon sun. But I've come out here several times, getting more coffee and my breakfast, walking out to the table here with the chairs, and it just looks cleaner. It looks cleaner. I'm in a full remodel, so when I have something that is a really nice, beautiful space, I want to be out there. If you guys have ever done a full remodel to your house, you guys totally understand you have to have spaces where you feel comfortable and you are creative. And these chairs, I walked out and I'm like, those are beautiful chairs. Now again, all this is going to be linked below, but these are the Teak Armrest Classic chairs. They offer many different styles and colors like I mentioned. We're going to show you another setting like I keep talking about over by the gazebo, but I don't think I'm going to keep them over by the gazebo. I think I'm going to literally keep them right here and, God willing, be able to continue to work with Purple Leaf for their outdoor dining room table as well. They have complete sets where you can get the table and the chairs, and that would be an absolute big thumbs up in my book. But first impressions, last night and today, I really, really like them. Now I am using a lumbar support pillow behind me. I just have a curved back, and so I need a little extra support, but it's just a very simple outdoor pillow, and I just put it right there, and it makes this chair even better. You might not need that, but I do because of the shape of my back. And the chair is actually really easy to move back if I need to get out. Let me clip you on my shirt, my microphone. I just push back and I'm up like that. Where the other chairs that I had are literally behind the camera and they are super heavy and bulky, and those are going to be definitely donated. The cushion fabric is Sunbrella. It is water repellent, it is UV resistant, and that is going to keep it staying vibrant for years to come, which is really, really good because the sun here in Colorado is very strong. I'm sitting right now at about 7,150 elevation, 7,150 elevation. That's very high. The sun is very strong, and if you don't have UV resistant fabric, it's going to fade and fade very quickly. Super low maintenance. Again, you can use these indoor, outdoor. If you live in a state like California where you have an outdoor living room, people are doing that here, but they do try to kind of close it in a little bit more with heaters and stuff like that, because obviously we do have winter, we do have summertime. But if you live in a climate like Florida where it's just beautiful, Southern California, beautiful year round, your outdoor living space, indoor, outdoor, sheltered, over by the pool, underneath a pergola, you guys get the idea. Absolutely fantastic. I want to show you what the umbrella looks like and what I've been just chilling out here, protecting my skin from the sun with the Purple Leaf umbrella. So this is what I've been sitting underneath last night and today, like I have mentioned several times, but absolutely beautiful. This is I will link this umbrella as well as this one if you want the LED lights with this one. This one does not have LED lights, and I believe this is a 9x9 and that is a 10x10, but it's a cool umbrella. 360 swivel. This one, 360 swivel with tilting and LED lights over here. And then the base, which we get crazy wind, and it has held up absolutely beautifully. I like my spaces. I like to be outside. I'm literally grounding right now with bare feet. It feels great.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at these beautiful chairs and another option for you here. This is underneath the Purple Leaf gazebo, and then I have the barbecue 6x8 gazebo over here. I have also decorated it with flowers, planter boxes, and the chairs finish it off just beautifully. Now, honestly, I think I'm going to put these back at the front table just because I love them so much, so I need to get my hands on more Purple Leaf chairs. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at the set in this setting. Again, underneath the Purple Leaf gazebo here with curtains, drawstrings, you name it. Alrighty, so as you can see here, got my outdoor space, cushions, chairs, looking absolutely fantastic. I've been using this chair in particular, every single day, editing on my computer underneath the Purple Leaf umbrella in the front yard, and have really, really been enjoying it, especially the look of it. Not to mention fire pit nights I've been having, and it's absolutely incredible. The look, again, making your space beautiful so you want to enjoy the space. So once again, probably the top reason I love them is the contrast of color, the dark brown on the teak with the white cushion here, with the back that just wraps around. And if you need to, grab a couple lumbar support pillows if you are like myself that work on this chair chair the last week or so for 4+ hours a day sitting in this chair. I need a little bit of lumbar support. That's just the way, again, my back is shaped. But coming over here, I mean, take a look at that, huh? Just the woven, beautiful, the backing, gorgeous, absolutely stunning. You, my friend, are going to enjoy these chairs. I'll tell you what no better way to end your day, kick your feet up. Now, I actually have some more gardening work to do. That's why I'm dressed like this. But kick your feet up in your chairs. Enjoy your outdoor spaces. That's what's going to draw you to the spaces, is enjoying those outdoor spaces. I have dialed in this area right here. I have also, it's not quite dialed in the front yard, but I have the Purple Leaf umbrellas. It's perfectly calm right now. It's beautiful. This is the time of night if you need it to block that back sun, especially if I'm working into the evening. It is now about 7:15 summertime, Colorado, so it does stay later a little bit longer, but it is super nice with the Purple Leaf umbrella to tilt that so it blocks the afternoon sun as well as the morning sun. These chairs are absolutely incredible. They look beautiful, beautiful colors with that teak on the brown with the white cushion. Absolutely fantastic. Now, actually, I got something on this cushion that I'm sitting on right now. I've already washed it, came right out, great. I just took the cushion out of the zippered cushion topping, I'm just going to call it, or fabric, and just threw it in the wash machine. And I use baking soda and vinegar method for cleaner ingredients for washing, and it did a great job. These have been rained on. Absolutely fantastic. My fire pit last night, I actually got a little bit of ash. It didn't do anything to the cushions, but it just kind of sprinkled a little bit of ash on the cushions. This morning, I literally took the hose, washed them off. Awesome. Good as new. Now, again, I need to get my hands on more of these chairs because these chairs are going to go back to the front area, but I'm just showing you what it would look like underneath a pergola or gazebo. But this is where I spend most of my time, right here. We're going to light this up, so stay tuned for that. But this is where the chairs are going to belong until I get another set for underneath the gazebo. This is, I mean, literally, I'm in this chair for probably the last week. Again, 4 or 5 hours easy. So I like a little bit of lumbar support if I'm going to do a long editing session. It's a great height of chair to the table as well for eating, as well as editing a video with your arms so they don't fall asleep while you're editing a video. And stay tuned, because when that sun goes down, look at that country sun. When that sun goes down, we're going to put up the Purple Leaf umbrella with the LED lights. It's a beautiful, calm night tonight. We're going to go ahead and light that fire pit right there. Of course, I do scoot the chairs over because that fire pit is a little too close. You get some of those crackling of some ambers, and I don't want that going on the chairs at all. So I do shove these over, but if you were in a group setting, you would just put that a little bit more over. Obviously, it is a live fire, but again, morning devotions, morning breakfasts. Got my Bible right here, my journal. I just sat out here this morning. I mean, I do it every morning, but journaling, looking at that beautiful view right there. You can't complain about that, my friends. Wanted to grab this shot on film here. Look at that sunset after I've been working in the fields a little bit. Oh, goodness gracious. That is a beauty of a country evening, sitting in these chairs looking real strong. Well, I'm going to be sitting in these chairs in just a little bit. Alrighty, this will give you the lighting with the chairs with the Purple Leaf LED umbrella right there, casting a nice ambiance over the table and chairs. We still need to light the fire pit, but just giving you a quick shot of that. I'll have that umbrella linked also in the description box below. I'm going to plug away at a little bit more work. I need to do a little bit more editing, and then we are going to light the bonfire. Again, just finishing up a little edit underneath the lights of the Purple Leaf umbrella. And I have lit the fire pit. Absolutely stunning, folks. Sitting in my beautiful chair. Do stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm trying to get my hands on the Purple Leaf pergola, like the really nice modern one. I think it's called like the laverde pergola. And also Purple Leaf has a full dining set, a 6-person dining set with chairs like this, as well as a table. They have many different piece sets for big, huge families, big backyards, 6 or 8 piece sets. So make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned for those videos. And if you haven't watched my videos already on the Purple Leaf gazebos as well as the Purple Leaf umbrellas, I will have those linked also in the description box below. Well, guys, the chairs are definitely a thumbs up in my book. Resort looking. I absolutely love them. Once again, top link in the description box below of this video are going to be this exact same chair set. Again, I got 4. They come in 2 packs each, or a set of 2. They have other colors and styles, so definitely check out that link below. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up
that button on your way out. It helps the channel. Also subscribe, but just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I'm making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. My name's Chris, and once again, your link is in the description box below. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.